Welcome to this presentation on hydrogen-oxygen fuel cells. In this lesson, we will explore how fuel cells work, why they are important, and their advantages and disadvantages. A fuel cell is a device that converts chemical energy directly into electrical energy. In the hydrogen-oxygen fuel cell, the reactants are hydrogen and oxygen. The products are water and energy, making it a clean source of power. Exam tip: remember that fuel cells produce electricity continuously as long as fuel is supplied, unlike batteries that run down. Let us now look at how the hydrogen-oxygen fuel cell works. Let us start with the anode, which is the negative electrode. Hydrogen gas enters here. Each hydrogen molecule oxidizes and splits into protons and electrons. The half equation at the anode is hydrogen gives 2 hydrogen ions plus 2 electrons. Remember, oxidation happens at the anode because electrons are lost. Let's look at the role of the electrolyte. The protons, or hydrogen ions, move through the electrolyte. The electrolyte is a special substance that only allows ions to pass. It also makes sure the hydrogen and oxygen gases never mix directly. Please note that the role of the electrolyte is to allow ions to move but keeps the gases apart. Now let us move to the cathode, which is the positive electrode. Oxygen gas enters here. At the cathode, the oxygen reacts with the protons and electrons to form water. The half equation is oxygen plus 4 hydrogen ions plus 4 electrons gives 2 water molecules. Student note: while oxidation occurs at the anode of the fuel cell, reduction happens at the cathode because electrons are gained. Finally, let us put everything together. At the anode, hydrogen becomes hydrogen ions and electrons. At the cathode, oxygen combines with hydrogen ions and electrons to form water. The overall reaction is 2 molecules of hydrogen plus 1 molecule of oxygen produce 2 molecules of water. Fuel cells are efficient because they convert chemical energy directly into electricity without many energy losses. As long as hydrogen and oxygen are supplied, they can produce electricity continuously. They produce no pollutants, only water. This makes them lightweight and useful in vehicles, spacecraft, and portable devices. Exam tip: in multiple choice or short answer questions, always recall the key phrase, "The only waste product is water." Despite their advantages, fuel cells also have disadvantages. Hydrogen storage is difficult because it requires high pressure or low temperature. Hydrogen production is expensive, and in many cases, it relies on fossil fuels. Also, the infrastructure for hydrogen refueling stations is not widely available. Let's take a look at these exam-style examples. Number 1. Which row about a hydrogen-oxygen fuel cell is correct? Number 2. Which gases are used to generate electricity in a fuel cell? You can pause the video to give it a try. Here are the answers to the questions. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause the video if you need more time and also re-watch to answer the questions. Hydrogen-oxygen fuel cells are already being used in cars, buses, and spacecraft. They offer a clean alternative to fossil fuels because the only product is water. In summary, hydrogen reacts with oxygen to produce water and electricity. Thank you for learning with Acestudents. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to check out our playlist for more videos. Every video includes evaluation questions to help you test your understanding. Our content is perfect for homeschooling, Google Classrooms, or private tutoring. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new science lesson.